When people in the West think about detoxification, they think about the gut, the liver, or a juice cleanse. But in Chinese medicine, detoxification begins somewhere completely different. It begins with your feet. And the reason is not superstition, it is rooted in a detailed understanding of how your body's systems connect. In traditional Chinese medicine, your feet contain over 70 acupuncture points that connect directly to every major organ in your body, including your liver, kidneys, lungs, and digestive system. Stimulating these points through a therapeutic foot soak activates the corresponding organ systems, improving their function and supporting their natural detoxification processes. Your feet also contain some of the largest pores on your body, making them highly effective at both absorbing beneficial compounds and releasing waste products through sweat. Here is the 4-ingredient recipe and the specific science behind why each ingredient was chosen. Ingredient 1: sea salt or Himalayan salt. Salt draws fluid out of your skin cells through a process called osmosis, pulling toxins, uric acid, and metabolic waste products to the surface where they can be released. Himalayan salt specifically contains 80 trace minerals, including magnesium, zinc, and iodine that absorb through your foot pores and enter your circulation. Ingredient to Epsom salt. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, and transdermal magnesium absorption through the skin is one of the most effective ways to rapidly raise magnesium levels in your body. Magnesium absorbed through your feet relaxes your muscles, calms your nervous system, reduces inflammation, and supports your liver's detox enzyme function simultaneously. Ingredient 3: baking soda. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, a powerful alkalizing agent that raises the pH of your foot bath. This alkaline environment softens and opens your skin pores, allowing the other ingredients to penetrate more deeply and toxins to release more efficiently. Baking soda also has antifungal properties, directly targeting foot fungus and bacteria that accumulate between the toes. Ingredient for apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which balances the pH of the foot bath and creates a mild acidic layer on the skin's surface. This acidic layer disrupts the biofilm that harmful bacteria and fungi use to protect themselves on your skin, making them vulnerable to removal. Apple cider vinegar also stimulates circulation in your feet, improving the blood flow that carries toxins away from your tissues and toward your liver and kidneys for elimination. Here is exactly how to prepare it. Dissolve 1/4 cup of sea salt, 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, and 1/4 cup of baking soda in boiling water in a large pot. Allow the water to cool slightly, then add 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. Adding the vinegar to slightly cooled water preserves its acetic acid content. Boiling destroys its active compounds. Pour the mixture into a basin large enough for both feet and soak for a minimum of 30 minutes. The 30-minute minimum is critical. Transdermal magnesium absorption requires sustained contact time to penetrate deeply enough to reach your bloodstream. Do this 3 times a week before bed and combine it with drinking 2 full glasses of water immediately after to support your kidneys and flushing the mobilized toxins. East or west, your body responds to the right support the same way. Give it what it needs.